Get excited. Today is your graduation. Are you super stoked? You made it all the way through. Today, we're going to pick the winner of those of us who participated. But first, I want to say how super proud I am of you and all of the habits you have established and how far you have come. Welcome to day 31 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. We will be unsubscribing, if you haven't done so already, from the FlyLady Baby Step emails. According to Marla herself, you have graduated and you no longer need these emails. So go ahead and unsubscribe, remove yourself from the baby steps, whatever you need to do, and continue on your FlyLady journey. No matter what happens next, I am super duper proud of you, and we are all winners. We have won the prize of a clean, decluttered, and tidy home. I'm super duper proud of you, and you should be so super happy and proud with yourself too. Oh my goodness, I am so nervous. I have inserted all of the names in order, and I'm doing it right here with you. Ooh, what's gonna happen? Oh my goodness. Sorry, did I break your ear? Congratulations, Missy. I am super happy for you. So congratulations to the winner. You will receive your prize of your Amazon gift card. You can go ahead and receive those details from me. I am so super duper happy for you. Congratulations. Don't forget to keep on with your habits. This is now part of your new lifestyle. These include dressing to shoes, your swish and swipe, making our beds, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, saying kind words to ourselves the whole entire day, slowing down and being intentional, making everything we do in our homes fun. Also, a 5-minute email deletion, daily cleaning mission from the FlyLady website, a 15-minute declutter. Don't forget, this week we are in zone 4. That is the master bedroom, bath and closet if you have one. Also, we have our 15-minute rest, 10 minutes of self-care. And don't forget that once a week we're doing the pamper mission from the FlyLady website. We also have our daily load of laundry. We're also making sure we're drinking our water, starting our dinners as early as possible, looking out for our clothes the next day, shining our sinks, getting to bed on time. And while on Friday we filled up those calendars, moving forward every single night we're going to take a quick 5-minute look at our calendars, planners, and control journals. And once a week on Desk Date we will be continuing to stay ahead. Please feel free to remove those sticky notes from your sink and mirrors if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to turn on your notification bells, as I will be doing a video soon on how to put all of these together, plus the things that we haven't covered yet, such as the daily focuses. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to go through the zones as well as more details of the daily focuses, and I would be so happy to do that for you. If the habits haven't stuck yet, or if you joined this challenge late, feel free to start it all over again. It will be left in a playlist for you here. I'm so super duper proud of you. You are now flying, and your home is going to continue to see amazing results for as long as you do this. It has been a total game changer. I'm so super duper proud of you. You are flying now, and if you want even more FlyLady content right now, feel free to check out this playlist here, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.